Good morning, I'm your host Shashi Chopra. Welcome to the new episode of Life Experiences. Sharing brings joy and happiness and helps others to learn from your experience. Today our guest is Rohini Kheda. She's multi-talented, compassionate, adventurous, dependable and a people person. She enjoys hobbies like music, cooking, yoga, dancing, meditation, entertaining, and socializing. She likes helping others to grow. She has 3 children and is actively involved in guiding and encouraging them in their school and professional lives. Rohini ji, I'm so happy to have you for this episode.
Thank you, Shashi ji, for this great opportunity. I really appreciate it. I would like to talk about education in my personal life, which has been a life-changing experience for me. Ever since I came to the United States in 1987, I was only at the young age of 19 years old. I focused on getting my bachelor's degree at George Washington University with a myriad of specializations in finance and psychology, etc. I graduated in a young 3-year program which takes normally 4 to 5 years. I toyed with the idea of also getting a master's degree like an MBA or a doctor in psychiatry, but I opted to go to the United Kingdom and get a master's degree in economics. I returned in 1991 and I was straight away able to apply into American Enterprise Institute, where I worked with the groundbreaking and cream of the crop in this country. Some examples are Judge Bork, Dick Cheney, which are household names, Ambassador Lilly, Dr. Thomas Robinson, who was a professor in Georgetown, Dr. Chongping Lin, who has since returned to China and is very high up in the influential circle over there, doing great academic work even till today. So I feel very honored and privileged to have had this opportunity in my life to be able to give back to community. And as you can see, I am still able, even after all I have been through, being able to give back, and it gives me a greater, higher level of accomplishment and fulfillment altogether. I am now using my confidence and channeling my efforts productively to give back to society and transform and channel the future of our great country and the world at large. I am doing consulting work with the US government and providing valuable guidance and advice for a most prosperous country and bring back USA from the brink of abysmal that maybe some bad actors have brought upon us. I am also co-sponsor of several charities in the DMV area as well as globally, which brings a lot of meaning to my life and it fulfills me a lot. And this is what I want to share with everybody today. Thank you so much.
Rohini ji, thanks for your wonderful insight and sharing with us your life experience. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Let's all experience life together. Please tune in next month at the same time on Fox 5 Plus for my next episode. Have a blessed day.